Moving to Alberta in winter, what you need to know. If you are considering a move to Alberta, especially during the winter months, you may be wondering what to expect. Alberta's winters can be quite unpredictable, and understanding the climate, real estate market, and practical tips for navigating the season is essential for a smooth transition. This guide will provide you with insights and advice that can help you make informed decisions. Understanding Alberta's winter weather. Alberta is known for its diverse weather conditions, particularly in winter. The temperatures can fluctuate significantly from year to year and even day to day. For instance, one winter may bring heavy snowfall and temperatures as low as -30°C, while another might see milder weather with temperatures hovering around 0°C. Average temperatures. During winter, Alberta typically experiences temperatures between -5°C and -25°C. However, extreme cold snaps can occur, where temperatures drop to -30°C or even -40°C with wind chill. It is crucial to be prepared for these variations, as the weather can change rapidly. Road conditions. Winter road conditions can vary greatly. On some days, roads may be clear and easy to navigate, while after a snowstorm, they can become treacherous. Icy conditions are common, and it is crucial to drive cautiously. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with winter tires and allow extra time for travel. In cities like Red Deer, bus routes are often plowed quickly, but residential streets can remain unplowed for extended periods. It is wise to consider your location in relation to these routes when moving. The real estate market in winter. The real estate market in Alberta is characterized by distinct seasonal fluctuations. Understanding these trends can help potential buyers and sellers make informed decisions. Spring, the peak season. Spring is generally the most active time in Alberta's real estate market. During this season, increased listings, many homeowners choose to list their properties in spring, leading to a surge in available homes. This is often motivated by the desire to sell before the summer months or to take advantage of the busy market. Higher buyer activity. With the warmer weather, more buyers are eager to search for homes. Families often prefer to move during this time to settle in before the new school year starts, contributing to heightened demand. Competitive offers. Due to the increased number of buyers, competition can be fierce. It is common for homes to receive multiple offers, which may drive prices up and lead to bidding wars. Winter, a slower market. As winter approaches, the dynamics of the real estate market shift significantly. Decreased listings. Many sellers hesitate to list their homes during the winter months. Concerns about weather conditions, holiday distractions, and the difficulty of moving in cold weather contribute to this trend. As a result, the inventory of available homes typically declines. Reduced buyer activity. Cold temperatures and challenging weather conditions can deter potential buyers from house hunting. Additionally, the holiday season often takes precedence, leading many people to postpone their search until spring. Less competition. With fewer buyers in the market, those who do choose to shop for homes may find less competition. This can create opportunities for buyers to negotiate better deals, as sellers may be more willing to entertain offers due to the reduced demand. Market implications. The seasonal slowdown in winter can have several implications for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, potential bargains. Buyers may find that homes are priced more competitively in winter, as sellers who list during this season may be motivated to sell quickly. More negotiation power. With fewer buyers competing for homes, buyers might have greater leverage in negotiations, potentially securing a home below the asking price. For sellers, longer time on market. Homes listed in winter may take longer to sell due to decreased buyer interest. Sellers should be prepared for a longer wait before receiving offers. Strategic pricing. To attract buyers during the winter months, sellers might need to be more flexible with pricing and consider staging their homes effectively to showcase their property's warmth and comfort. Buying a home in winter. If you are looking to buy a home in winter, there are both advantages and disadvantages to consider. Pros. Less competition. Fewer buyers are looking for homes during winter, which can lead to less competition and potentially better deals. Negotiation opportunities. With fewer buyers in the market, you may have more room to negotiate the purchase price. Cons. Limited inventory. Many homeowners choose not to list their homes during winter, leading to fewer options. Inspection challenges. Some issues may be harder to detect in winter months, such as roofing problems hidden by snow or malfunctioning HVAC systems. Current market trends. Current market trends in Alberta real estate. As of this year, the Alberta real estate market is characterized by several key trends that are shaping the buying and selling landscape. Understanding these trends can provide valuable insights for potential buyers and sellers. Low inventory. One of the most significant trends affecting the Alberta real estate market is the low inventory of available homes. This situation is particularly evident in major urban areas such as Calgary and Central Alberta. Fewer listings. The number of homes for sale has not kept pace with demand. Many homeowners have chosen to hold off on selling, contributing to a scarcity of listings. This limited supply can create a competitive environment for buyers, as they have fewer options to choose from. Impact on prices. With low inventory, prices tend to remain stable or even rise. When demand outstrips supply, sellers can hold firm on their asking prices, and bidding wars may occur for desirable properties. This trend can make it challenging for first-time buyers or those with tighter budgets to enter the market. Stabilized interest rates. Another critical factor influencing the current market is the stabilization of interest rates. Encouraging buyer activity. After a period of fluctuating interest rates, many major banks have begun offering more predictable and competitive rates. This stability has encouraged more buyers to re-enter the market, particularly those who had been hesitant due to previous uncertainties. Increased mortgage approvals. As interest rates stabilize, more buyers are finding it feasible to secure mortgage approvals. This influx of buyers can further intensify competition for available homes, particularly in sought-after neighborhoods. Strong demand despite winter conditions. Although winter typically poses challenges for the real estate market, the demand for homes in Alberta remains robust this year. Ongoing interest. Even with colder weather and potential obstacles related to moving, many buyers are actively looking for properties. This continued interest is driven by various factors, including job relocations, lifestyle changes, and the desire for homeownership. Motivated buyers. Some buyers may specifically choose to search in winter to take advantage of the reduced competition. They may see this as an opportunity to negotiate better deals, making the winter months an attractive time for serious homebuyers. Regional variations. It's important to note that market conditions can vary widely across different regions in Alberta. Urban versus rural markets. While urban centers like Calgary may experience significant demand and competition, rural areas may have different dynamics. Some rural markets might see less competition, but buyers may also find fewer listings and slower sales. Neighborhood specificity. Within cities, certain neighborhoods can be more competitive than others. Factors such as local amenities, schools, and community features can significantly influence demand in specific areas. Tips for moving to Alberta in winter. Navigating a move during winter requires careful planning. Here are some practical tips to make your transition smoother. Prepare for the cold. 1. Dress appropriately. Invest in high-quality winter clothing, including insulated jackets, boots, gloves, and hats. Layering is key to staying warm. 2. Vehicle preparation. Ensure your vehicle is winter-ready. This includes having winter tires, a block heater to keep your engine warm, and an emergency kit stocked with essentials. Driving safety. 1. Slow down, allow extra time for travel, and drive cautiously in snowy or icy conditions. 2. Stay informed, keep an eye on weather forecasts and road conditions, especially before embarking on long trips. Home preparation. 1. Shoveling snow. Regularly clear snow from walkways and driveways to prevent ice buildup. A good shovel or snowblower can make this task easier. 2. Heating systems. Ensure your heating system is in good working order before you move in. This is essential for comfort during the cold months. Considerations for home buyers. 1. Inspections. Be aware that some systems may be harder to test in winter. For instance, air conditioning units cannot be tested in freezing temperatures. Discuss these limitations with your inspector. 2. Negotiation strategy. While there may be opportunities to negotiate, remember that the market is still competitive. Be prepared for potential multiple offers even in winter. Conclusion. Moving to Alberta in winter can be a rewarding experience if you are well informed and prepared. The unique climate offers both challenges and opportunities, particularly in the real estate market. By understanding what to expect and how to navigate the winter months, you can make your move smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content on living in Alberta. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your biggest concerns about moving to Alberta in winter? Your feedback is important, and we look forward to hearing from you.